Ever pondered how YouTubers turn their passion into profit? This question has piqued the curiosity of many, from aspiring entrepreneurs to casual viewers. It's a fascinating world, the realm of YouTube monetization, a place where creativity meets commerce, where ideas transform into income. But how does it all work? What are the strategies that successful YouTubers use to monetize their content? These are the mysteries we'll unravel today. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned to discover the secrets of YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization isn't a game of chance, it's a strategic process. It's more than just uploading a video and waiting for the money to roll in. It's about understanding the system, meeting the criteria, and producing content that advertisers are willing to pay for. Let's start from the beginning. What is YouTube monetization? In simple terms, it's the process of earning money from your YouTube channel. You do this by allowing ads to be displayed on your videos or through other revenue streams that YouTube offers. But not just anyone can start monetizing their YouTube channel. There's an eligibility criterion in place. Firstly, you must live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Secondly, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. You also need to have a linked AdSense account to receive payments. Now, these numbers might seem daunting, but they're designed to ensure that the content creators are serious about their channel. It's a way to filter out the casual hobbyists from those who are committed to making quality content. And speaking of quality content, let's talk about that. To be monetizable, your content needs to be original and advertiser-friendly. This means you should avoid controversial or sensitive topics and try to create content that appeals to a wide audience. Remember, advertisers want their ads to be associated with content that reflects well on their brand. So you've got to think strategically about your content. What kind of videos will attract a broad audience? What kind of content will advertisers feel comfortable associating with? It's a delicate balance, but with careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can make it work. In summary, YouTube monetization is a strategic process that involves meeting certain criteria and producing advertiser-friendly content. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and a bit of business savvy, it can be a great way to earn money from doing what you love. So, you've got the basics. Now, let's dive deeper. Advertisements are the bread and butter of YouTube monetization. When you think of YouTube, chances are the first thing that comes to mind isn't the ads, but rather the videos. However, for YouTubers, it's a different story. Ads are a crucial component of their revenue stream, and understanding how they work is key to maximizing earnings. So how does it work? Well, it's simple. When you, as a YouTuber, allow ads to be placed on your videos, advertisers pay YouTube to display their ads, and in turn, you get a cut of that payment. It's like having a billboard on the side of a busy highway, except in this case, the highway is your YouTube channel, and the cars whizzing by are your viewers. There are two primary ways that YouTubers earn from ads: cost per click, CPC, and cost per view, CPV. Let's break these down. First, there's CPC. This is a method where you earn each time a viewer clicks on an ad. The amount you earn can vary greatly depending on factors such as the ad's content and the demographics of your viewers. Then there's CPV. This is where you earn based on the number of people who view the ad. In other words, the more views your video gets, the more you earn. This method is particularly beneficial for channels with a large following. Of course, it's important to remember that ad revenue isn't guaranteed. Factors such as ad blockers, the type of content you produce, and even the time of year can all impact your earnings. But here's the bottom line. Despite the variables, ads continue to be a reliable source of income for many YouTubers. They serve as a bridge, connecting content creators with advertisers and allowing you to earn from your passion. So while ads might be seen as a nuisance by some viewers, for YouTubers, they're much more than that. They're a way to turn creativity into a livelihood. Ads might be irritating for some, but they're the golden goose for YouTubers. Memberships and merchandise are the icing on the cake for YouTubers. Let's dive into another exciting facet of YouTube monetization: channel memberships and the merch shelf. If you're a content creator with a substantial following, these features can be your ticket to a steady income stream. Channel memberships are like a VIP club for your most loyal viewers. Viewers pay a monthly fee, typically around $5, to get exclusive perks. These could include badges, emojis, members-only videos, live chats, and more. The beauty of this model is that it's recurring revenue, a steady stream that adds up over time. It's a win-win situation. Your viewers get a more personal experience, and you get a financial cushion. Now, let's talk about the merch shelf. Once you've built a strong brand and community, your viewers may want to show their love not just with their time and comments, but also with their wallets. That's where the merch shelf comes in. It's a feature that allows you to sell your merchandise right from your channel. T-shirts, mugs, posters, you name it. If it represents your brand, you can sell it. And the best part, YouTube doesn't take a cut of your merchandise sales. But remember, these features aren't just about making money. They're about building a community. Channel memberships allow you to deepen your relationship with your viewers, giving them a sense of belonging. The merch shelf, on the other hand, allows your viewers to wear their fandom on their sleeves, literally. So, how do these contribute to a YouTuber's earnings? Well, imagine you have 1,000 members paying $5 a month. That's $5,000 a month just from memberships. And if you sell 100 t-shirts a month at $20 each, that's another $2,000. It's easy to see how these features can make a significant difference in a YouTuber's income. Channel memberships and merchandise sales, when used wisely, can significantly boost a YouTuber's income. YouTube Premium is the cherry on top of the YouTube monetization sundae. Let's dive into what it is and how it sweetens the deal for content creators like you. YouTube Premium is a subscription service offered by YouTube. For a monthly fee, users get an ad-free viewing experience across all of YouTube, access to YouTube Originals, and the ability to download videos for offline viewing. Sounds enticing, right? But you may be wondering, how does this affect me as a content creator? Here's the scoop. When a YouTube Premium member watches your content, you earn a share of the fee they paid. That's right, even though they're not seeing any ads, you're still getting paid. This revenue is calculated based on how much time premium members spend watching your content compared to other content on YouTube. Now, while it's true that YouTube Premium isn't the main source of income for most creators, it still holds a lot of potential. Think of it as a consistent layer of frosting on your monetization cake. It's not the biggest slice, but it's a steady one, and it's entirely independent of ad views or clicks. So even if ad revenue fluctuates, your YouTube Premium earnings remain stable. This can provide a nice buffer in your overall monetization strategy, giving you a bit more financial security as you continue to grow your channel. YouTube Premium, though not the main source of income, provides a steady stream of revenue. Monetization on YouTube isn't confined to these avenues. There's a whole world of opportunities beyond ad revenue, channel memberships, merch shelf, and YouTube Premium. One such strategy is brand partnerships. Aligning with a brand that fits your channel's ethos can be a win-win situation. You get financial support, and the brand gets exposure to your loyal audience. Then there are sponsorships, another fantastic way to monetize your channel. Companies might sponsor your entire channel, or just a specific video. The key here is to ensure the sponsored content aligns with your content and audience's interests. And let's not forget crowdfunding. If your audience loves what you do, they might be willing to support you financially. Platforms like Patreon or Kickstarter can help facilitate this. Just remember, with crowdfunding, it's essential to offer something in return, whether that's exclusive content or merchandise. Innovative monetization strategies can open up new avenues of income. So making money on YouTube is not as elusive as you might have thought. The keys to success are right there, in the basics of YouTube monetization. We've discussed how ad revenue plays a significant role, with ads being placed on your videos and you earning a share of the income. Then we dived into channel memberships and the merch shelf, two powerful tools that let you monetize your fan base directly. We also talked about YouTube Premium, a service that pays you when premium members watch your content. And let's not forget the other strategies we've covered, like sponsorships, crowdfunding, and even selling your own products or services. Each of these strategies has its own potential, and the best approach for you will depend on the nature of your channel and your audience. But remember, the most important element is the content you produce. With the right strategy and content, you too can turn your YouTube passion into profit.